Friends, if you want to permanently delete your TikTok account, then this video is for you. You should watch this video till end. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, open TikTok account and click on the top right 3 lines. Now here you have to click on Settings and Privacy. After that you have to click on the top account. Now here you have to again click on Deactivate and Delete Account. When you click on it, here you have to wait 5 or 7 seconds. Now here you have to click on Delete Account Permanently. From here you have to select any option. Now you have to click on Continue here. In this way, you can delete your TikTok account permanently. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.